Welcome to Technology Now, the channel that brings you the latest in groundbreaking technology. In this episode, we are embarking on a thrilling exploration of the future of artificial intelligence. Get ready to discover the incredible impacts and exciting possibilities that AI holds for our world. Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our lives, revolutionizing industries and transforming the way we live. From voice assistants that make our daily tasks easier to self-driving cars that navigate our roads, AI is already making its mark. But what lies ahead? What can we expect from the future of AI? Today, we will delve into the current state of AI, exploring its applications and significance in various fields. We'll take a closer look at the positive impacts it has on society, such as improved healthcare outcomes and increased efficiency in industries. But we'll also address the concerns surrounding AI, like job displacement and privacy issues. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is propelling us into a future that was once only imaginable in sci-fi novels. Today, AI is not just a concept, it's a driving force surrounding groundbreaking advancement in numerous fields. Let's take a glimpse into the current state of AI and uncover the remarkable applications and significance it holds. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing patient care. It's like having a brilliant, tireless assistant that can analyze vast amounts of medical data, helping doctors detect diseases at early stages and tailor treatment plans. From AI-powered diagnostic tools that interpret medical images to personalized medicine breakthroughs, AI is reshaping the way we approach healthcare, bringing hope and saving lives. Buckle up, because AI is also taking the wheel in the transportation industry. Self-driving cars guided by sophisticated AI algorithms are hitting the streets, promising safer and more efficient journeys. Imagine a world where traffic congestion becomes a thing of the past and accidents are dramatically reduced. This is not just a distant dream, it's an imminent reality. Now, let's talk finance. AI is not just crunching numbers, it's revolutionizing the way we manage money. Intelligent algorithms are employed for fraud detection, risk assessment, and even automated trading systems. This means quicker, more accurate decision-making, enhancing the security and efficiency of financial transactions. Breakthroughs in AI such as natural language processing and computer vision are opening doors to mind-blowing possibilities. Natural language processing allows machines to understand and converse with humans, giving birth to virtual assistants such as Siri and Alexa. Picture having your very own digital assistant that can schedule appointments, answer questions, and keep you informed, all with a simple voice command. Meanwhile, computer vision enables machines to interpret and understand visual data. It's like giving them a pair of hyper-intelligent eyes. This technology leads to breathtaking advancement in facial recognition, making our devices more secure and unlocking exciting opportunities in areas like augmented reality and autonomous drones. But here's the kicker. AI is already woven into the fabric of our daily lives. Virtual assistants streamline our tasks and make our lives more convenient. Recommendation systems personalize our content, ensuring we discover exactly what we love. And autonomous vehicles are hitting the road, paving the way for a transportation revolution that will redefine how we navigate our cities. The current state of AI is a mere glimpse into the immense potential it holds. We're witnessing the dawn of an era where machines become not just our tools, but our trusted partners, enhancing our lives and empowering us to achieve more. The possibilities are limitless, and we're just scratching the surface. On the upside, AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, improve efficiency, and enhance our quality of life. It's like a superhero swooping in to save the day. AI-powered automation streamlines processes, boosting productivity and freeing up human potential for far more creative and fulfilling tasks. Industries like manufacturing, logistics, and customer service are experiencing a seismic shift, thanks to AI's ability to handle repetitive tasks with lightning speed and precision. But hold on tight, because there are also challenges we must face head-on. The rise of AI raises concerns about job displacement, as intelligent machines take over tasks once performed by humans. While AI creates new job opportunities, we must ensure that those affected by automation are equipped with the skills to thrive in this new era. Privacy becomes a tangled web as AI gathers and analyzes vast amounts of data. Our digital footprints are fuel for AI algorithms, raising questions about the protection of personal information. Striking a delicate balance between the power of AI and safeguarding privacy rights becomes crucial as we navigate this evolving landscape. We can't ignore the elephant in the room: algorithm biases. AI systems are only as good as the data that they're trained on. If that data is biased, it perpetuates and amplifies societal prejudices. It's like giving a megaphone to discrimination. Addressing these biases, ensuring fairness and equity, becomes paramount as we entrust more decision-making to AI systems. But let's not lose hope, for the potential of AI to drive positive change is immense. In healthcare, AI helps diagnose diseases earlier, improving patient outcomes and potentially saving lives. It's like having an army of expert doctors at our fingertips. AI-powered technologies can analyze medical images, detect patterns, and assist in treatment plans, leading to more precise and personalized care. As we venture into the uncharted territory of the future, the intersection of artificial intelligence and humanity holds both tremendous promise and profound questions. Buckle up for a captivating exploration of the symbiotic relationship between AI and humanity, and the incredible possibilities that lie ahead. The future of AI is a tapestry woven with limitless potential. Picture a world where personalized medicine becomes the norm, with AI algorithms tailoring treatments to individual patients, maximizing effectiveness and minimizing side effects. Diseases that were once considered incurable could be conquered with precision and speed, transforming healthcare as we know it. Education, too, stands on the cusp of a revolution. AI has the power to individualize learning experiences, adapting to the unique needs and learning styles of each student. Imagine a classroom where AI tutors tailor lessons to optimize comprehension, sparking curiosity and nurturing a lifelong love of learning. The barriers to education crumble as AI empowers individuals to access knowledge from anywhere in the world. The future of AI extends beyond the confines of Earth. As we gaze toward the stars, AI-powered space exploration becomes a reality. Autonomous rovers traverse distant planets, collecting data and expanding our understanding of the universe. AI algorithms analyze astronomical data, unlocking the mysteries of black holes, dark matter, and the origins of our cosmos. But amidst the wonder, we must confront critical questions. How do we ensure the ethical use of AI? How do we safeguard against unintended consequences? These questions challenge us to shape the future responsibly and inclusively. As AI becomes increasingly embedded in our lives, it's crucial to establish frameworks that prioritize transparency, accountability, and the preservation of human values. The fusion of AI and humanity opens the doors to extraordinary experiences. Virtual reality becomes more immersive, blurring the boundaries between the digital and physical worlds. Imagine exploring ancient civilizations, interacting with historical figures, or embarking on fantastical adventures, all made possible through AI-driven virtual environments. The future holds the promise of smart cities, where AI optimizes energy consumption, enhances transportation systems, and creates sustainable urban living. AI-powered algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, providing real-time insights to city planners and policymakers, fostering a harmonious balance between human needs and the environment. In short, as AI becomes woven into the fabric of our future, collaboration between humans and machines becomes paramount. Instead of fearing job displacement, we must embrace the opportunities that arise. AI can augment human capabilities, enabling us to focus on creativity, empathy, and innovation. By embracing ethical principles, nurturing collaboration, and continuously questioning the impact of our choices, we can shape a future where AI becomes a transformative force for the betterment of humanity.